Hey, what's up? Thanks for watching this short video. Today I'm going to show you how to get a 10% forever discount on the Helium 10 software. And I'm also going to show you how to get free access to their paid course, which is called the Freedom Ticket. Now, this is normally a $1,000 course. I'm going to show you how you can get free access to it. And I'm also going to show you how to get that 10% forever discount from the Helium 10 software. So this way, you're getting the software that's going to help you to get all the keyword research done and all your competitor research done, and at the same time you're getting a course that's going to show you exactly how to excel on Amazon. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click the link below this video. That link is couponqueso.com/helium. I'm going to type it in my browser here, couponqueso.com/helium. Go ahead and click on that right below in the description, and that's going to take you to this page right here. And as you'll see, the page tells you that you're going to get free access to Freedom Ticket with your Helium 10 membership. But of course, I'm going to show you how to get a discount on that membership. So once you get here, you'll see a video from the founder of Helium 10 explaining that now they've joined forces with Freedom Ticket. And here's what you get with the new Freedom Ticket plus Helium 10 union. So with Freedom Ticket, you're going to get 8 weeks of training, 60 plus videos, real data walkthrough, and then you're going to get different handouts on sourcing, accounting, mistakes to avoid, and a lot more. Now with Helium 10, you get the software that teaches you how to find keywords, build your listing, get it to rank listing, optimization, etc. So a combination of the two is the best way to go so that you can excel and succeed on Amazon. So once you get to this page here, what you want to do is you want to click on this blue button, and then that's going to ask you to sign in, okay? That's going to ask you to sign in. If you don't have an account yet, then what you have to do is go down here where it says sign up, and you can sign up. If you already have an account, all you have to do is log in. So I'm going to log into mine here. And once you're in here, you have the option to select your plan. Remember, in order to get access to Freedom Ticket for free, you're going to have to at least select the Platinum plan, okay? Now, in order to get the discount, what you have to do is go here and apply a coupon code, and that coupon code is GIFT10, GIFT10. So I'm going to type that in, GIFT10. When you hit apply, you're going to see that that goes down from 97 to 87.30, and right here you'll see that you have a 10% forever discount. So this means every single month you're going to keep the same price. Now if you want to save even more, what you could do is, instead of going monthly, this is a month-to-month plan right here, 87.30, you can go annual and you get an addition or 2 additional months for free. If I click on annual, you'll see that this goes down to $873. So if you do the math, 87.30 times 10 is $873. So they're giving you 2 months for free. Okay, so that's how you do it, guys. Go to couponqueso.com/helium. The link is right below in the description. That's going to take you to that page that's going to give you access and activate the coupon I'm giving you here. And then once you get to this page over here that you're looking over my shoulders, then apply the coupon code GIFT10. That's going to give you the 10% discount. And remember, you have to be at least a Platinum member in order to get free access to the Freedom Ticket course, which is usually $1,000, but now they're merging it together when you have a paid membership to Helium 10. So enjoy the savings and much success to you in your Amazon business.